Several farmers are now trying to fly on cover crops into soybean before leaf drop. So we're in a field now down in southeastern North Dakota where the farmer flew on cover crops about 8 weeks ago. So that would have been the end of August. He flew on 52.5 pounds of cereal rye, 2.5 pounds of flax, 2.5 pounds of radish, and then 2.5 pounds of dwarf Essex rapeseed. And that's his kind of his go-to mix to get a decent stand of rye, but get a little diversity in there as well. And the goal is to have the cover crops growing underneath the soybean, but not growing too much that they cause an issue for harvest. Just to show how tall the rye has gotten in the soybean prior to harvest, you can see it lays pretty low to the ground, but if you draw it up, it's probably 6 to 8 inches tall. One thing to consider when flying on cover crops into soybean is to select low-growing species or cover crops that are going to lay down on the top of the soil surface. One of the other benefits of having a cover crop in the system is that it will help hold some of the soybean residue in place to form an armor against wind erosion. And then also during harvest, you can see with the combine ruts back here that actually the living green cover crop during harvest probably helped hold some of the equipment up and improve trafficability in this field. So flying on cover crops into soybean is another great way to fit cover crops into rotation.